In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use email templates in Outlook, a skill that can save you valuable time and streamline your email communication. Let's get started by first composing a new email in Outlook. Open the application and start a new email as you normally would, entering the content that you find yourself sending repeatedly. This could include anything from a formal introduction, details about an upcoming event, or a simple follow-up email. By creating a template, you'll have this message ready at your fingertips whenever you need it. Once you're satisfied with the content of your email, it's time to save it as a template so that you won't have to recreate it from scratch each time. To do this, navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner of your window. Click on Save As. Here, you'll be prompted with various file format options. Make sure to choose Outlook Template from the drop-down menu, which is represented by the file extension .ft. This file type ensures that your email format, including any text, subject line, and even recipients, are saved within the template. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save this template and give it a descriptive name, something that will remind you of its purpose. Now click Save to finalize the step. Now that your email template is safely stored, let's explore how to use it the next time you need it. From the Outlook main screen, look for the Home tab on your top menu bar. Once there, find and select New Items. This option usually resides in the New group of the Home tab. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Move your cursor to More Items, and then select Choose Form. A new dialog box will appear to guide you to your saved templates. In the dialog box that pops up, you'll see an option labeled Look In. Click on this and select User Templates in File System. From here, you can browse through your local files to find the template you saved earlier. Simply select the template you wish to use and click Open. This action will generate a new email using the content and format of your chosen template, ready for you to make any edits or personal touches before sending it off to your intended recipients. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create and use email templates in Outlook. By following these steps, you can ensure efficiency in your email correspondence, reducing the time spent drafting repetitive messages. I hope this video has helped streamline your Outlook tasks, making your daily communication more productive and hassle-free. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital workspace.